So here's the truck. I'm probably gonna end up sinking this truck. Because I'm probably gonna end up sinking this truck. Because I'm probably gonna end up sinking this truck. I'm probably gonna end up sinking this truck. I don't know how to do it. I don't know the procedure. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm loosening.
If you feel
the honest truth, Samara, that's the scary part.
If you feel any of those emotions, please continue watching this video. Okay, so after getting the Toyota back onto the road, back and forth, and tailing in the shed, we are now ready to start unhooking the engine. So we remove the air intake, and now we are draining the antifreeze.
Grab those.
Removing the red hose.
Mm-hmm. Fuck that, eh?
I'm just getting like little clips of each thing. So after we took the radiator out, we removed the hood. Good. Oh. So next, we're going to disconnect these two.
Oh, no motor, no run. You fucking dumb. First it was dandelions, eh? Bucket, bucket, bucket.
Right there. A harness. How many more?
I don't know. A few by the looks of it. There's this one. Severely fucking seized. There's this one. Broken? Nice.
It's broken.
Okay. Looks like we're gonna have to take off this power steering pump hose.
Right.
Looks like we're gonna have to take off this, whatever the fuck this is, hose.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what that is.
Or how it comes off. How does it come off?
You just unscrew it there.
I guess so, eh?
Yeah, kind of looks like it.
So these two will have to come off.
You could maybe unbolt it there if that's easier.
Unbolt this? Oh, no,
Yeah, no.
This looks easier.
Okay.
I think.
So,
Pretend again. Pretend. Here?
yeah. Should drain the engine first?
This isn't engine, this is power steering fluid.
Oh.
What do you think that's for? For pulling them? Gotta be, eh? It looks solid.
Why else would you need a hook on your engine?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what Friday hooked it to.
Yeah, there is a hook.
That engine has one too.
So we disconnected the fuel line, which was somewhere there. Ours is 17 millimeters.
Ratchet wrench.
Ratchet wrench. And this was the special bolt in that fuel line. So don't lose it. This is a necessity. Basically what you're going to want to do is unattach all the wires. So basically what we've done so far is we've removed the radiator. What we ran into as a problem is that we've been kind of going off this other YouTube video on how to take out N22RE, and we realized that ours underneath the hood is a lot different. And I'm sure that if you're watching this video on how to do it too, yours will also be different. So just to kind of give you a general help sort of thing is to disconnect all the wires on the driver's side from the engine. So whatever you see, we ended up discovering a humongous rat nest of wires. Thank you, person who decided to do that before us. So we basically just removed all of those, disconnected from the engine, and we are just doing the last line. We just disconnected the power steering line as well. So you're going to want to plug those holes or drain it if you know how. We're just plugging the holes for right now temporarily with a shopping bag. So let's go get this one done.
What do I think of what? Hey? I need someone to plug this hole. This has all been rewired by someone, eh?
No doubt. Definitely not.
I don't know if it's a good or bad thing. It's not too complicated.
I just hope it works with our new engine.
Well, we're gonna have to swap lots of shit from this engine to that one. What I'm scared about is taking the exhaust off. We're gonna have to do that right now.
The one that we already
yeah, we took it off. Well, we took it off once, but it was we had an impact to take it off, and it was probably
off goes the exhaust.
You're filming right now.
Next step, removing exhaust. And good luck.
Did I get it or did I break that?
I don't know.
I got it.
Oh, nice.
Probably helps we had it off not long ago.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think we would have been screwed if we didn't. Because they were pretty seized when we took them off before.
Did you use the impact?
We're all hardworking today.
We have no time for ants. Here's the bad one. I can't get on it straight. Fuck.
Next step, we're taking out the computer. So you're gonna go on the passenger side. You're gonna want to unlock the passenger side. Take off the kick panel.
Which is held in with what?
Screws.
I guess so.
I didn't know the computer was inside the truck right there.
Good thing.
Good thing. Yeah. Probably why they did it, so it doesn't get wet as easily.
Stinks in here. We need to clean this thing out. We're done.
Oh, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Swamp water. What's in this one? Maybe that's a computer.
drunk as a fool. Throwing up Jimmy back to dinner laid out. Nice catfish Billy shit. I'm talking way out. Dude, I'm way out. I'm talking way out. Rolling countryside. Anywhere that I go. Hey now.
Drunk on quake.
They tell me to turn it way down.
Yeah, we should.
Film me cut myself because this isn't the right tool.
No way. Nice. We're gonna have to get new zip ties to reconnect that.
Yeah. Later.
Yeah.
Not a pressing matter.
And that clip, is that disconnected? So that is the computer harness, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Now completely
Computer.
disconnected from a firewall.
Computer. Computer disconnected, no?
What the fuck is that?
What?
This thing. Is that gonna have to
Oh,
come out?
this is the black ground wire. Goes to the frame of the truck.
Oh, looks like it's connected to the engine.
No, it's connected.
Taking off the ground wire.
We gotta remove the starter too. Remember that before we pull the motor.
Okay. Where's the starter?
Back under here.
Oh, okay.
Right here.
Right here. Oh, it's easy?
I am attempting to pull the starter. Starter's out.
There it is.
Yeah.
Put that girl in the Pinto pump. It's all that holds it. Or is there a cable? Yeah.
There's a cable, yeah.
Wild caterpillar. Looks for leaves.
Huh.
What's that?
We gotta swap whatever the fuck that is. The starter's leaking water. God damn.